Today we've got the brand new POCO F7 Pro in our hands, and we're going to check out its specs and give you our first impressions. Is this the ultimate mid-range flagship killer? Let's find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Right out of the box, the POCO F7 Pro makes a strong first impression with its premium design. The sleek glass back features a stylish two-tone finish that catches the light beautifully, paired with a refined camera module that sits flush against the body. The aluminum frame adds a solid, high-end feel while keeping the phone surprisingly slim at just 8.1mm and lightweight for its size at 206 grams, comfortable to hold without sacrificing durability. Flip it over and you're greeted by a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rates and Dolby Vision support for vibrant, theater-like visuals. The bezels are razor-thin, maximizing screen real estate, and the discreet center punch hole camera keeps distractions to a minimum. And yes, unlike most phones in this segment, it even packs an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner for faster, more accurate unlocks. The display on the POCO F7 Pro is absolutely stunning. It's one of the best I've seen in this price range. The AMOLED panel delivers rich, punchy colors with perfect contrast thanks to those inky deep blacks. But what really impresses is the brightness. It hits an insane 3000 nits peak brightness, making it incredibly easy to view even under direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming with buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rates, binge-watching HDR content on Netflix, or just scrolling through social media, this screen makes everything look next-level sharp and vibrant. Honestly, for media consumption, it's hard to find a better display without jumping to a premium flagship. Powering the POCO F7 Pro is Qualcomm's last-year flagship CPU, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, built on an ultra-efficient 4nm process. This powerhouse is paired with up to 12GB of blazing-fast LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of cutting-edge UFS 4.0 storage, putting it firmly in flagship territory when it comes to raw performance. In real-world use, this hardware combination absolutely shines. Demanding games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run flawlessly at maximum graphics settings, maintaining stable frame rates even during intense action sequences. The thermal management keeps things comfortably cool during extended gaming sessions. Day-to-day performance is equally impressive. Apps launch instantly, multitasking between multiple heavy apps is buttery smooth, and the new HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, feels incredibly responsive and optimized. Moving to the camera system, the POCO F7 Pro sports a versatile dual-camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization. This is complemented by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens that expands your shooting possibilities. The main camera truly impresses, capturing photos with excellent sharpness and rich detail. Its advanced processing delivers balanced exposures with impressive dynamic range, preserving highlights and shadows beautifully. Low-light photography benefits significantly from the OIS, producing noticeably cleaner and more stable shots in challenging lighting conditions. While the ultra-wide lens may have lower resolution, it performs admirably for expansive landscape shots and group photos where you need to fit more into the frame. For selfies and video calls, the 20-megapixel front-facing camera delivers flattering, well-exposed shots with natural skin tones that look great on social media. Keeping this powerhouse running is an enormous 6,000 mAh battery that easily powers through a full day of heavy use, thanks to the chipset's excellent power efficiency. When you do need to recharge, the blistering 90-watt fast charging can take you from empty to full in just 37 minutes, though wireless charging enthusiasts might be disappointed by its absence. So here is my first impressions. The POCO F7 Pro is shaping up to be a beast in the mid-range segment. You're getting flagship performance, a stunning display, a solid cameras, and a massive battery with blazing fast charger at a price that undercuts the competition. If you're looking for a powerful phone without breaking the bank, this might be it. But we'll need more time to test all-day performance, software quirks, and camera consistency. So stay tuned for the full review. Let me know in the comments, would you buy the POCO F7 Pro? and what do you want tested in the full review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!